Hello everyone, welcome one more time to my channel. My name is Ana Tenorio, and today I'm going to do a little review about something that I got online. So the other day I was on Facebook in the middle of the night, one of those nights where you can sleep, and I was scrolling down and I saw this Facebook ad that said get free hair extensions, and it looked like it was something from Cosmo, so in my Instagram page. So I was like, oh cool, free extensions. So I don't know if you know, but sometimes I wear hair extensions. Right now this is my hair, this is all my hair is this length, but I don't have a lot of hair. So you see, this is my hair. So I usually wear hair extensions for special occasions. I don't wear them every day or for everything. I just wear them randomly or when I want to curl my hair, because I feel like my hair suffers less when I have extensions. So I was like, oh okay, why not? So I entered the website. It's called Belle hair extensions, something like that. I'm gonna leave the name somewhere here so you can see it. I was very intrigued. I got in there and the website looked like a legitimate website. They had a lot of options, a lot of colors. So it was like, oh, we just charge for the shipping because our idea is that to empower women. So I was like, oh, this is so cool, this is so interesting. So it said in the description that these were, how did it say? That these were real hair extensions made in Europe. Like it had like all these things. So for the ones who don't know, hair extensions, when they are real hair, they are very expensive. Usually when I buy hair extensions, I pay more than $100 for each set. That comes like with 4 little pieces of hair, and you have to put them like here, 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 you know, like you put them all the way down. And that's how you usually get hair extensions, or at least how I get them, because I get the clip-ons. I never got the ones that you stick there and you can never take. No, I never got that. Just because I don't like to have extensions all the time. I just like it when I'm going to do something special, when I'm going to a party, or when I want to have my hair like with a lot of volume or things like that, but not for my everyday life. So I entered there and I was like, oh well, Cosmo is like advertising this means that this is something good. And so I went and looked for some reviews and I really couldn't find anything on Google. So I went, I did it, and I paid $8 for shipping, $8 and something. So so I was like, okay, if I lose this $8, whatever. If I get something good for me, whatever. Like I really didn't do this expecting much. So I got an email right away when I did my purchase, and it was like, oh, your extensions are going to take like from 4 to 8 weeks, because these handmade extensions in Europe are gonna get to you. Or then it said like these handmade extensions in Canada. I think it changed. So I got that email. So I was like, I think this is never gonna come. Okay, I lost $8, whatever. So time went by. I will get a lot of emails from them. You want this, you want this, you got this. And I'm like, okay, I want all this stuff, but where are my extensions? Well, finally, I remember I told Leo about it. I was like, hey, I didn't tell you the other day, but I got these hair extensions that I think are never gonna come. And then I went and looked for a review online and on YouTube, and I saw something. So I was like, you know, this is never gonna happen. So 2 weekends ago, I got a bag in the mail. A bag like this that says, it has everything in Chinese. So it says from Sinewili number 59, Jubei District, Kunlun, right in Chongqing. So it said ombre hair extensions. And so yeah, so my hair extensions that were made in Europe or Canada, I guess they were not. They were made in China, the China Post. I'm gonna cover this, but can we see it somewhere? Let me see. The China Post in the top. There you go. So I got my extensions from China. So usually I'm gonna show you, for the ones who don't know about clip-on extensions, this is how they look. They come like in little pieces, and they have these clips that you clip to your hair, and they come in different like sides. So you see that they're not exactly my color, but they go very good because I have the highlights. So that's what I usually get to match my hair, because they look like highlights, even though I have natural highlights. You see, like I get them done every now and then. So then I opened, and there was this bag. The extensions were here. They're like huge. And then I open the hair extensions. So this is the hair I got. They has hair for like 3 people. This is like a lot of hair. So the first thing I can tell you, I look crazy right now. The first thing I can tell you is it is beautiful hair, but this is not real hair. Never. Like, this is like, you know, like how dolls have hair, like some kind of shiny hair. So that's how it looks. The color on the website looked different. Looked like a little ashy, not so yellow. Look at that. So I opened them. They have the clip-ons, but like all the hair comes in this whole thing. So this is very heavy. This is heavy. It's like a big, I don't know, but this is kind of heavy for your head. So you go, and it's super long. It's like mermaid hair. I love it though. Imagine if my hair was like this. So pretty. So I got them. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try them on. So I'm gonna try them on right now in front of you. Right now I just have my own hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this, so you have to put them like right here because it's heavy and it's where it fits your head. So I'm gonna put this hair right here up. It's so funny. And I'm gonna come with these. They're all open. My hair looks crazy. So I'm going to clip this on in the middle. Oh my god, it feels so heavy. Ooh, okay. So the next side. Right here. And I want to show you. Let's see if I can see here. So you basically put it on the hair and clip. It's okay, the hair is on. You put this down. Let's brush this a little bit. And let's zoom out this a little bit. Okay, right there. So you see? So I have all this hair now. I can tell you it feels very heavy, and I can't control this amount of hair. But I also can tell you that it looks kind of crazy. So something to tell you is, real hair, you can always curl it, like you can do whatever you want with it. So I tried to curl these, and it's definitely not real hair because these like just like burn, you know? Like I tried to curl it and the hair immediately just like got burned. So this is not real hair. Like I'm just, you know, I know a little bit about extensions, and that's something I do know. It's not real hair. So is it a scam or not? I feel like they lie a lot, but for $8, like you're getting a lot of I feel like a mermaid. I feel like this is perfect for Halloween or something like that. If you're gonna want to go like a mermaid or something like that, or for costumes, it's just $8. It's something that you can make work somehow. So I was telling you the other day that what I was going to do And since I never get to wear like braids because I don't have a lot of hair, so what about if I do like a little side braid? Let's see. Right there. Huh. Well, like I told you, like I never can wear braids, so this is pretty cool for me. I'm gonna wear like a little loose. And you cannot really notice anything, can you? Huh. Well, I will wear it like this, maybe with some hairs like just a little loose over here. I could make this work or as you know, as like a cocktail. Let's see. Just put like something to hold it. But I feel like you can make it work, right? Huh. Well, so I just wanted to let you know what it was. Like, to be honest with you, like I don't know if I'm gonna use them. I think maybe I could use them like these, like as a braid. Let me know if you have get them, and if you would like to get any kind of hair like this. I'm also gonna link below the website if you want to go and check it out. They have a lot of colors and a lot of different lengths. I think these were the longest. No, I think they're all like 16 inches. I don't know, but they were all like, you know, the same length. They just had tons of different colors. They had like highlights, they had the ombre. I will never do the ombre to my hair because I wouldn't like to do that to my own hair, so that's why I ordered this, because I was like, oh, pretty cool, you know, like something to spice it up a little bit. I do like random highlights, but with this it looks like yellow. So blonde for one day, I guess. I will use it. I don't mind it. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right there on the red button, and also go to visit me to Anata Beauty so you can see updates, pictures, and more. Okay, thank you for being here. Bye bye.